Good morning, guys. I hope you guys all enjoy my YouTube videos. Today we're going to talk about my engine I'm going to put in the Supra practice car. But first we can talk a little bit of the Supra. As you can see here, I have cut off the rear end. We're going to put on some fiberglass doors, fiberglass hood, and we're going to make a tube front here. As you see in my other video, we're going to maybe do the same like Radan has on his car. Roll cage, change over to left-hand drive, back to the engine. This is a 2J Vvt-I without the turbo. So we can start in the top. We're going to use the stock intake manifold because it has a little throttle inside here. I don't know what is meaning, but when you're going without the turbo, it's very important maybe to have this stock intake manifold. But we are going to change from this, like here, and over to this. So Magnus, my friend, is making adapter here, so we can gonna put on. It's gonna stand right here. So this is an electric throttle body, the same as used on my GT86 over there. New coils with a nice bracket. We're going to use the same injectors. Going to change the Vvt-I sensor, Vvt-I wheel, put it on adjustable cam gear, and we are also going to change from the cams over to the 276 cams from Brian Crover. I also put in new oil temperature sensor, water temperature sensor, and oil pressure sensor. New header, nice and clean. So what I'm going to do now is to strip down all the timing and change the water pump, pulley, and yeah, see what I have to order from some parts from Drift Motion. So it's just have to start. Sorry but my voice is crap again, but I'm trying my best to just give you guys an update. So I hope you guys enjoy. mostly of the part in the front of the engine. As you can see here, it's actually old and rusty. Here's the water pump. Gonna order new alternator. I'm not sure if it works. I'm gonna order a new in case. This is for the multi-belt. Water pump pulley. This is Vvt-I cam gear. Gonna order new. Order new here for the timing belt. Gonna put on adjustable cam gear and this pulley down on the crankshaft. As you can see here, it's starting to crack around here. So if this break on the engine when we're driving, it can happen that can destroy many things here. The oil pump, yeah, everything. So it's very smart to change this when it's old. So all this going to be brand new, and I think I need to go into drift motion and order some parts. It's easy to take off. Great to have Garage 15 tools here. So the job is getting much easier. So I'm gonna end today now. I hope you all enjoy to see the engine, and stay tuned for next time when you get new parts you're gonna put on the engine. See you soon.